Hi there, excuse me. I'm new here. My name's David. I just started today.
Oh, welcome, David. I'm Lisa. I work in quality control. Are you joining the production line?
Yes, I'm joining as a maintenance technician. Nice to meet you, Lisa.
Nice to meet you too. A maintenance technician, that's great. So, you'll be checking and repairing the machines, right?
Exactly. I'll be supporting the production team, especially during machine breakdowns or preventive maintenance.
That's important. We had some issues with the pick-and-place machine last week. It stopped in the middle of a shift.
Oh, really? That can affect the production output a lot.
Yes. So, where did you work before this?
I was a junior technician at an electronics plant in Penang. I mostly dealt with conveyor systems and reflow ovens.
Sounds like you already have good experience. How big was your previous team?
There were about 8 of us, 2 senior technicians, 4 junior technicians, and 2 line leaders.
I see. Here, we have about 10 machine operators, 4 people in quality control, and 3 line supervisors on this floor.
That's a good structure. May I ask, what's the difference between a line leader and a line supervisor?
Good question. A line leader manages a small team directly on the line, and ensures everyone follows the work instructions. A line supervisor oversees several lines and handles scheduling, reporting, and coordination.
Got it. And you mentioned you're in quality control. What's your day-to-day work like?
I check the finished products to ensure they meet our quality standards. I also handle defect reports and work closely with the quality assurance team.
So what's the difference between quality control and quality assurance?
QC is more about inspection and testing at the end of the process. QA is more about setting up systems and procedures to prevent problems in the first place.
Interesting. Do you also work with the R&D team?
Sometimes. Especially when we launch new products. R&D sends us the specifications, and we help verify the first batch.
I'm hoping to learn about the different teams here. Is there also a process engineering department?
Yes. They work just upstairs. The process engineers analyze the production workflow and improve efficiency. You'll probably meet Sarah, she's the senior process engineer.
Nice. So many departments. Who handles the inventory and parts?
That would be the logistics team and the warehouse staff. They manage the raw materials, components, and finish.
And is there a production planner here?
Yes, Mark is our production planner. He creates the daily production schedule and coordinates with supply chain and sales.
This company is really well organized. I hope I can contribute to keeping things running smoothly.
I'm sure you will. Just ask if you need help. Do you already know your team leader?
Not yet. I was told to meet someone named Tom.
Oh, Tom is the maintenance team leader. He's been here for 12 years. You'll learn a lot from him.
That's great. What kind of tools or systems do you use for reporting maintenance issues?
We use a CMMS, computerized maintenance management system. It helps track machine downtime, repair history, and spare parts inventory.
Very useful. Is there also on-the-job training?
Yes, especially for new hires. You'll go through safety training, machine operation training, and SOP reviews.
SOP?
Yes, standard operating procedures. Every department follows SOPs to make sure work is done correctly and safely.
Makes sense. Is there a health and safety officer here?
Yes, her name's Joyce. She checks PPE compliance, does safety audits, and gives emergency drills.
Good to know. Do all departments join the morning briefing sessions?
Most of them do. At 8 a.m., there's a daily briefing for all line leaders, supervisors, and engineers.
Do technicians join as well?
Sometimes. Especially if there's a maintenance alert or line changeover scheduled.
I'm looking forward to learning more about the machines. Do you often work with the technicians?
Yes. Especially when we find defects like soldering issues, component misalignment, or PCB scratches.
Do you report it directly?
We use a defect log and then inform the responsible team. It could be the operator, technician, or even the SMT setup team.
SMT stands for Surface Mount Technology, right?
That's right. Good to see you know your basics.
Thanks, Lisa. You've helped me understand so much already.
Anytime, David. Welcome to the team.